Okay, what I got going on right now is this is video number 2. This is that Toyota 2005 Tundra, 4.7 liter. As you can see, that it's the engine is warmed up and it is not making that rapping noise. The noise that you heard in video number 1 was unfortunately the timing belt tensioner damper. And what happened here is that it was a defective part. The timing belt, water pump, pulleys, and the tensioner was replaced about 7,000 miles ago. I had a mechanic do that for me because at the time I wasn't feeling well and unsure that I would be able to physically do the job. Well, to find out that noise, I had to take the entire front end of this engine off. And as you can see, everything went back together. I did put a new tensioner in, and along with the tensioner, I put another timing belt because I was already there. I left the water pump alone. I left the pulleys alone. But again, the job came out well. So if you have one of these Toyotas 4.7s, and you have a ticking noise, and it almost sounds as bad as a rod knock or a wrist pin knock. This truck here has 200,243 miles on it. And again, this job here to do the timing chain, for the inexperienced mechanic, you might say, I'll pay someone $400 to $500 to $700 to do it, with parts included. It was about $1,000. I know the dealership is probably about $2,000. But if you have experience in doing timing belts and timing chains, this job was straightforward. Done in about I would have to say it took me in the area of about 4 to 6 hours, and a good metric set with a couple extension and wobble sockets comes out pretty good. Hope this helps somebody out there that has that same, oh my god, I've got a rap in my engine, and I just had the timing belt changed. It could be that tensioner dampener went bad, and that's the tapping that you hear. Good luck. Take it easy. Bye-bye.